Welcome to Kustrang Official. Tini topic songka last video ang norok no sajak tongo PMEGP bahai ke apply khainai. Tai minimum age limit and minimum education qualification busuk. Ang sai khnarnai bo category ni busuk of the subsidy tong. Abono tini sawi khnarnai PMEGP apply khaina bagai minimum age 18 years nango. Education qualification kebo 8 pass nango. PMEGP rate of subsidy kai urban and rural area ni percentage different. General category ni bagai urban ke 15%, rural ni bagai ke 25%. Special category ni bagai urban ke 25% and rural ke 35% subsidy. So norok je kono business khaina henke tamo papers nangnai ang abono ageni video sajak tongo nai di. Faidi hinke ang norok no bahai ke PMEGP online fill up khainai ang funuk nai. First norok Chrome khuluk mani pore PMEGP search khaidi. Search khaimani pore norok PMEGP home KBIC site o habdi. Site hapani pore norok amti khai site man nai nuk nai at pore khai norok orok tinta option to applicant for new unit, registered application for existing unit je age borok loan nai tonja obokai application for existing unit rong ni bagai ngai norok ni bagai tabo applicant for new unit o norok hafna nangnai hamani pore norok step by step of form fill up ma khainai Aadhaar card number, name of applicant, sponsor agency ang no sanai no DICU khlaidi nei tani kai chin district ro KBIC kri so district select khai ke DIC select khai at por district select khai di jani ja district noni Aadhaar card je mote noni address at por kai noni oro district select khai mani pore ang just example rai nai di automatic oro noni district select khai mani pore phainai amdi khai ngai norok oro select khai di aboni pore norok gender select khai di date of birth di social special category tamo general ST je category noni abona ready ngai qualification minimum qualification 8 pass nango so noni qualification busik ready oro aboni pore communication address fill up khai ready aboni pore mobile number duita option to ready email address PAN number tai noni unit location borok lai rural da na urban da klai abona select khai ready tai noni unit address boro norok abo fill up ma khainai এরপরে type of activity noni norok tamo business khainai manufacturing da service da na trading da ke service or service ni oro tomo ba manufacturing ni oro select industry and activity tomo o jaga norok noni motek lai select lai ready norok rom di service klai nangkai oro naidi option o tongo noni activity ni mote norok select lai ready oro noni activity type nai di bomo bai noni khapi kobangma tongo oro norok search lai banai mano noni type of activity je bai khapi nai abono select khai di romdi ang kaisa example rinai Xerox center okay ang product description or product description ang suinai photocopy center nei ang sui rinai Aboni pore 17 number kai EDP training. EDP training no norok EDP training to khaije ke ongnai and je khaije rok kai yes or khaije rok kai no honai ready because maximum borok loan ni pore no EDP training khayo. 19 number kai project cost ang nong just example runai capital expenditure 60,000 okay or take jato working capital romdi 40,000 okay noni total project cost ka 1 lakh kai awani loge to employment noni employment koijona to nge kaisa norok opo mare nei fill up ma kai nei aboni pore 20 number 20 number to first financing bank norok bo bank select kai nei bo account norok rang danai romni DIC ni hoite noni forward khai rohor kangkai noni banko noni system o mung painai erpore kai norok age bank o je salai ton jakangkai norok bank o thangai norok orni hoite sanction claim romdi ang kaisa example rirka Indian bank erpore IFSC code select ma khainai district wise IFSC code jakto norok sajbo khaimano gai noni IFSC code bomo norok select khai ready aboni pore nok 21 number tegesa bank select khai mano obo o bank ongya kai tegesa bank o soi nei 22 number 90 want to able CGTMSE abono bank ni collateral security coverage khayo te 23 number 90 where did you hear about PMAGP abono bo fill up clarity bini pore save application data application save kaima pore non registered mobile number application ID tei password soi nai abono norok save clay to ready application ID by password no erpore norok last tolaon ID please proceed to upload documents or thangdi thangma pore norok nuknai passport size photo or photo rok upload khlaidi tei second number kai project report noni project profile obono PDF snamai norok upload ma khaini third number caste certificate fourth number aadhaar card 5 number population certificate jeta obo norok ni panchayat mano erpore kai 6 number kai education qualification asang na upload khlaidi document upload khaima pore norok document na view khlaima no view khlai jodi ongya kai norok abono teisa delete khlai teisa upload khlaima no aboni pore norok scoot card thangli scoot card thang khangkai norok oro naidi PMEGP scoot card norok oro minimum 60 marks qualify khlaina nangnai hai kai norok disqualify ongnai norok aboni option rumar pore oro naidi marks bo tongo norok 60 marks mani angkai norok teisa abono edit khlai 60 marks ni 60 marks kadai mano aboni pore norok save khaidi save khaimani pore norok ni marks to fainai aboni loge norok document different abono document na save khaina nangnai upload khlaina nangnai upload khlaimani pore nongni marks to already faijak abono monorok save khaidi upload khlai ओंखाय नोंनि टोटल मार्क्स नायदि आरो मार्क्स फाइजाक 80 abo eligible no minimum 60 इनकेने eligible aboni pore norok EDPU thangdi EDPU click khlaidi aro click khlaimani pore naidi select EDP training mode norok online ne khlaina musuk na offline and oro online select laikang select type of EDP training before bank sanction ne age norok training na khlaina musuk na post EDP after bank sanction okay ang norok no option nai norok bank sanction ni pore no abo khaidi training khaidi okay norok jodi online tiklai yo khlainangkai training khlainangkai norok aboni kaisa fee dong norok abono fee marnai jodi offline tiklainangkai norok yo tui ma khainai timing kamung kaisa institute thai ma khainai or rizak tongnai details erpore norok abo khaimani pore amotai norok edit khaimangla or na click khaidi or click khaikangkai tai norok edit khaimangla abo final submission nongnai tabok norok homo thangdi homo thangai noni print application khaidi application na print khai erpore kai norok obono tlangai DIC office thangdi DIC office tlangai thangkangkai norok oboni loge documents sobot lang thangdi so or thangai verify khlai ready norok application fill up khaima age ang aboni sikang ni video sajak tongo tamo khaina nangnai norok project report tilangai bank o kok sadi after that apply khaidi norok application fill up khaifro jani district o select khaidi tai fill up khaima pore jani district o DIC office tongo or thangai papers verify khaidi tai DIC ni hoite nang bo bank o select khaijak aro sanction khai rohornai ini branch after that ni bank ni system of phaisinai so manager ni term loan or CC loan disburse khai renai best of luck for young and energetic entrepreneur rok no tini ni video aro na pai risinai thank you